Hey guys, it's Dustin here with Canadian Echo, and today I got a quick unboxing for you. I ordered this package from Toronto Airsoft at, I believe it was December the 23rd, and since it was the holidays, it took a while to get here because the post office doesn't work during holidays. So it just got here now. It is January the 4th. I've already cut this open, so let's see what's inside. Actually, I already know what's inside. First of all, it looks like the kind of stuff that's packaged into the box. It's kind of weird. Oh well. So, let's just try to take that out. I gotta get a tripod for this. Okay. As you can see, there's a glare on the sticker. I ordered the Madbull tactical handguard. This is I believe, aluminum, one-piece aluminum CNC rail system. I got the camera won't see it, but it is a 7.125 inch handguard. It is called the Madbull, I believe it was the Dragon handguard or something. Inside simply comes with the aluminum handguard, very lightweight, in this bubble wrap. Screws and lock nuts to secure it in place, and a delta ring. Or I wouldn't really call this a delta ring, but still. Later on I will be doing a installation video, but until then, stay tuned. This is Canadian Echo.